Registering for VAT marks a milestone in any small business, a sign that growth has arrived. Yet with it comes new responsibility, precision bookkeeping. Once your turnover crosses the VAT threshold, accuracy stops being optional. Every sale, purchase and return must align perfectly with HMRC's Making Tax Digital standards. That's where organized bookkeeping for VAT-registered businesses becomes indispensable. For many UK owners, the challenge begins with timing. VAT quarters rarely match your natural bookkeeping rhythm, so consistency is key. Recording transactions in real time rather than in bulk at the end of the month ensures your VAT return is always current. Using cloud accounting platforms such as Xero or QuickBooks automates this process, pulling live data from your bank, categorizing entries, and calculating VAT automatically. At bookkeepingpackages.co.uk, we configure these systems so that accuracy happens quietly in the background. Attention to detail matters most when reclaiming input VAT. One miscategorized expense or missing receipt can distort your claim. Smart bookkeeping practices prevent that. Digital copies of receipts stored within your software meet HMRC's record-keeping requirements, meaning you'll never scramble for paper evidence during a compliance check. Cash flow planning is another area where VAT impacts decision-making. The gap between collecting VAT from customers and paying it to HMRC can mislead new registrants into thinking they have more cash than they do. Reliable monthly bookkeeping clarifies the true balance, preventing shortfalls when the return date arrives. It turns what feels like a tax burden into predictable cash management. Beyond compliance, good bookkeeping helps identify when it might be advantageous to register voluntarily. For instance, if most of your suppliers charge VAT and your clients are also VAT registered. Transparent data allows those decisions to be made strategically, not emotionally. At bookkeepingpackages.co.uk, we handle VAT as part of every fixed fee plan, ensuring each transaction is coded correctly and every deadline met. Our clients stay compliant, confident and free to focus on their work rather than deciphering tax codes. With the right system in place, VAT becomes routine instead of stressful. If you're approaching the registration threshold or already VAT registered and want to simplify the process, visit bookkeepingpackages.co.uk or email support@bookkeepingpackages.co.uk to arrange a free discovery call.